Hiya, everyone! Rewarding customers with coupons in exchange for reviews is a powerful strategy to encourage feedback and foster loyalty. By implementing this approach, you not only incentivize customers to share their opinions but also create an incentive for repeat purchases. In this guide, we'll explore how to seamlessly reward customers with coupons after leaving reviews in WooCommerce, leveraging the capabilities of the CusRev plugin. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Install and configure WooCommerce and CusRev. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, and click Add New. Search for WooCommerce, install the plugin, and activate it. After that, install and activate the CusRev plugin from the WordPress plugin repository. Follow the setup instructions provided by CusRev to configure the plugin settings, including review moderation and display options. Step 2. Check if incentivized reviews are permitted in your country. Depending on the jurisdiction of your online store, you might need to comply with different rules for disclosing incentivized reviews. Always check the rules of your country and/or state to see if incentivized reviews are permitted. Even if there are no specific rules in your jurisdiction, it is still a good idea to let your visitors know when customers were rewarded for leaving reviews because it helps build trust between customers and your business. CusRev plugin offers an option to display badges next to reviews for which customers received discount coupons. You can enable these badges and customize their labels on the Review for Discount tab of the CusRev plugin settings. Step 3. Configure coupon settings in CusRev. Navigate to the CusRev plugin settings. Look for options related to coupon rewards for reviews. Configure the settings to specify which coupon to offer and the conditions for eligibility, for example, a minimum number of media files. Configure the coupon settings, including the discount type, amount, and usage restrictions. Optionally, set an expiration date for the coupon to create a sense of urgency. It is important to highlight that customers will receive discount coupons unconditionally of ratings. That is, customers who post a 1-star and a 5-star review will receive similar discount coupons for the same amount. Step 4. Monitor coupon usage and review activity. Regularly monitor coupon usage to track the effectiveness of your review incentive program. Keep an eye on review activity in your WooCommerce dashboard and CusRev plugin to ensure that customers are engaging with the review process. Step 5. Encourage repeat purchases. It's easy for a customer to leave a review and receive their coupon, which creates a double whammy effect. The customer comes back for more, and you gain valuable feedback. Maybe they'll even give their coupon to a friend. Wrapping up. By following these steps and leveraging the capabilities of the CusRev plugin, you can effectively reward customers with coupons after leaving reviews in WooCommerce. This approach not only incentivizes feedback but also cultivates loyalty and encourages repeat purchases. Embrace the power of customer feedback and incentives to drive growth and engagement in your online store. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.